Hey everyone! Got some awesome tips for you today! Stick around to learn how to arrange your wires properly. First things first, always be extremely careful when working with electricity. Safety is key. Check out how I do it. My carefulness is crucial to prevent electrical hazards. Watch as I attach the cable to the jack and cut off the extra pieces. Precision is everything here. Next, it's time to close them up. Every step counts. Moving on to the main switchboard. This part is crucial because the circuit breaker is one of the most important pieces during an electrical installation. Using aluminum points to cover the wires is a neat trick. Keeps everything safe and secure. Adding more aluminum points as I connect the wires to the circuit breaker. Almost there. Let's finish up by covering the main switchboard. It's looking so neat. Remember, make sure you've got enough electrical experience before trying this on your own. Safety first. Such an interesting way to join wires together. Every detail matters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and follow for more. Catch you in the next one.